Rishabh School Undri. I am in 6th standard. I love to play football. I made a vertical pick and place robot. It helps to pick objects and in different locations. And today is the caption day. Are you ready? My name is Divan from Sanskrit School Undri, and I am 10 years old in 5th standard, and I love to do craft. And I am telling about 10xClub. I love 10xClub because it has many interesting things, and I love robotics. So I joined the 10xClub, and today is our capstone. So are you ready?
Hello everyone, my name is Patel. I am studying in Standard 4. My school's name is Muktangan English School and Junior College. I joined 10xTechClub because the teachers are very kind. My Capstone Project's name is Vertical Steering Robot. Today is my Capstone Day. Are you guys ready?
Why I came over here, I just wanted to tell you. Imad was insisting, I want robot, I want UAVs, I want drones. So I told him, what's the use in flying somebody's drone? Fly your own drone, which you can make. So in that way, he came up some interesting ideas. I want to do this, I want to do that. So we came across over here. I met sir. I inquired about him, and I think this is one of the stepping stones in his career. So that's what I inquired about, ma'am. What next? How can he enhance the technical knowledge that he gained over here to another level? So I'm thankful to you, and I hope he make a good stepping stone in his life, and he jump at a higher level. So that's the reason why. And lastly, I would thank you for giving a good communication setup that you have, because it is very difficult to remember every Saturday you have to come over here after working to Monday to Friday and remembering there is a class, but your pinpoint communication and everything, you are spot on. Thank you very much. And this is a good institute which I invested. I thought I got my money worth back. Thank you very much.
So, since our orientation here about this session, we are really looking forward to how it comes up and how students learn. So, as students mentioned, they learned debugging and they were proud that they created something working. And rather than playing ready-made online games, if they create their own challenges and have entertainment with that, I think that's most valuable crux out of this course. And I spoke to sir that this whole setup, intellectually as well as materially, it's very investing thing. Even if I can think of building 1% of this at my home, it's a challenging thing. So I really appreciate your move or your initiative for this. It's a best place to be at, I would say, for students. It is going to help them on long term. So I appreciate and I am very thankful for this platform availability, because we can pay at multiple places but we won't get that much value for these students. So it helps. And few more things that I would like to appreciate is the other students who joined them. They actually bonded very well. So when they go at home, they say that they learn something from their friends or their peers. So getting right company is also a right forum. At school they have their own friends, but if they have such good friends, maybe they can become their co-inventors in future or business partners. I think they are getting good social circle here. So this is nice opportunity. And the review that was given by ma'am, so I think that was the lab where she shared detailed observations about students. So it was very detailed as compared to regular school feedback or the way we observe it. We have our own view of it. But I think ma'am is very educated as well as skilled in her analysis of what students do and what they should be doing better. So especially in case of our son Swanan, her inputs are very helpful and we changed a lot of things at home for their betterment. So I think that was a additional, I would say, like icing on the cake, which is a important thing that we didn't even expect, but we got it. So that's very important. So I'm very thankful, and of course all the parents, I know how much effort it takes to bring kids here and to do everything on time. But this created a whole good system, and I'm very thankful for all these things. And overall, everyone in this institute is very enthused about their job. So even if you go to lab or marketing section or any place, everyone is really eager to explain what they are doing. They are cooperative. So I think this energy is going to grow as we move forward. And I asked sir, what's next? Which is the next course that they can participate, because your main program is little senior, so intermediate course is available for advanced, for juniors. So we are happy, and I think this investment is going in the right direction. So let's encourage and continue this journey. Thank you very much.
The course was really nice. It was very short. मैंने आपको आते ही बोला खत्म हो गया. He was very excited to come. मतलब वो Saturday के लिए wait करता था. And the thing is, sir and ma'am were very cooperative. मतलब कुछ भी निवा ने छुट्टी मारी तो you have arranged the class for them. Anytime you replied for everything, so that is very nice. मतलब कोई इतना reply नहीं करता या adjust नहीं करता है. That was good. बाकी he enjoyed a lot. सीखा उसने. And the presentation and he did was first time for him. So that also I liked it very much. Looking forward now what next to be done for him. So I was expecting कि अभी आप बताओ कि next क्या करना है. Yes. Yes.